The macro VIC, a pretentious parametric. Abstract. SDS2 has provided a stub in his software, so users can connect to it through a piece of code that is known as a parametric code. Parametric code is, and will be, available in a virtual infinite list in the pertinent support area of the SDS2 web page. When you revise this list, you find some facts that call your attention. One is the wide variety of macros and its purposes, the other the relative narrow group of authors. The reason for, could be that since the very beginning, user got disappointed by the hard-to-write a parametric was, and for the apparent short scope of the results. I intend to make here a brief introduction to a parametric macro VIC that pretends to add any type of material, in any place, of a beam member. It pretends also to establish a more general approach to parametric designing, instead of the specific, close-focused approach in use today. Proposal. SDS2 has a global coordinate system, and they say to us, if you want to add a member, just say it. Then, once you have decided what you want, a beam, a column, a brace etc. Say the model from where to where you want the member added, and finally select the type of material you want the member constructed of. 3 single and direct points to focus on, I add here. Macro VIC asks you roughly speaking same 3 questions, what do you want, role, give it 2 points, localization, and select the material. Similarities are very close. First place that the option menu for roles may grow as needs arise, stiffeners, curbs, kickers, outriggers, mom plates, shear plates, etc. Second that the way to locate the material is universally applicable because is referred, as SDS2 recommends, to the shape vertex points of the member, and 3 that SDS2 resources are directly available to complete the task. Things like the material file, the material edit window, the holes window, the bolt and nut specifications files, the special material operations, cuts, copes, the rotation operations and so on. So I propose the macro VIC 3-step architecture, as the standard, to create a common base, to design multi-parametric macros, that develops in a similar way SDS2 has developed their member model. Thanks for your attention.